I want to introduce a research tool from CUSABIO. This is CUSABIO website, and we have the technical resources part. In this section, you can find the research tools. In the research tools part, there are a lot of different types of tools to provided to help your research. And today, I will introduce a protein to DNA sequence generator. So with this generator, you can easily enter a protein sequence in the left box here, and then based on that, in the right table here, non-degenerate DNA sequence will be generated. Let me show you one example. So this is a sample protein sequence that we have, and as you see, the DNA sequence has been generated very easily in 1 second. And there are a lot of different options that you can choose based on the sources of your protein sequence. So for example, the genetic code table. The one that I showed here is the standard, but actually you can choose the vertebrate mitochondria table, and also you can change the codon preference. You can change to the GC-rich, and let's click the generate DNA sequence again, then see the DNA sequence generated has changed. You can copy and copy this DNA sequence, and also you can download the file. We also have an additional analysis about the DNA sequence. So this is the translation information, and because we choose the GC-rich here, so the GC content right now is high. If you change the GC-rich to AT-rich and click this again, see the GC content to be low and AT content is high. We also have the codon table that for your check. And in the down part here, we also have the principle behind this generator and also the feature as well as the applications. So in summary, this DNA sequence generator is based on the protein sequence that you entered, and it will quickly generate a DNA sequence for your research. So hopefully you enjoy it. Yeah, thank you.